Welcome everyone. Hope you are doing good. So myself is Shravani. I'm from San Jose State University, California. So currently I'm doing my masters in software engineering with the coherent in data science. So in this video, I just wanna explain you about how the GitHub Copilot is working. It is one of the fastest extension which give you suggestions for the code you need to write. And the other is I want to explain you about how to install it. And the third is I just want to show what the programs I have done in my file. So for that, firstly we need to install Visual Studio. You can see here I have already installed in my computer. So firstly the step one is you need to install the Visual Studio. So second is you need to add the extensions like whatever the language you are supposed to do, you need to add that extension. For suppose I want to do in the Python, so you can see here I have saved my file as .python. If you wanted to do in Java, you can also extend the Java extension. I'll show you. If you want to do in HTML, you can add HTML CSS extension. You can install it to your Visual Studio. If you want to do, you can also add the Java extension. You'll have many suggestions here. So accordingly to you, you can install whatever you need. And for my project, I need two extensions here. The one is Python, the other is GitHub Copilot. So for that, I want to install Python. I have already installed this extension. And I want to add the main extension for my project called GitHub Copilot. Well, so I have already added this extension, but the guys you can see here, this extension is enabled globally. That means see this extension is a paid one. You need to go to the GitHub, you need to create the account. I have already done that. So after that you need to create your GitHub with your college mail ID if you're doing masters, with your college ID, or else if you're working as an employee with your office ID. So accordingly to your ID, you need to create one of the GitHub. So through that you can access the free one. Okay, well, after the extensions is done, well guys, so I have created my file like project05.py. Py means Python. I think so. Hope everyone knows this. Like, if you wanted to create, if you're doing in the Java, you will create your file like file name dot js, or else file name dot java. Or you wanted to do for HTML, you can use file name dot HTML, or else file name dot CSS. But here I'm working on the Python. I'm doing .py. Well, okay, well, we'll see for one of the example called convert kilometers into miles. Okay, well, so what was the class we are giving? You need to give a hash symbol followed with the class name. So what we wanted to do now? So convert kilometers into miles. Okay, well, after you given the class name, you need to just hold the control button and you need to just enter the enter button. So at here the right side you can see some of the suggestions. Yeah, we got some of the suggestions like convert kilometers into miles. This is the one of the solution. You'll get many solutions like for suppose can we see for say okay, we'll try with this one. So here we're getting this we'll get if you want any program like add two matrices, or else concatenate two lists, etc. You'll get any of the code. So we need to accept the solution. So hope guys will get I think so the code is not written completely, so you can just delete that. So afterwards, you can give like patterns in Python. That is not a big issue. We'll do that one at last. I'll show you patterns in Python program. Okay, well, so we need to save this. Control S for saving the file. We'll use automatically Control S. So well, So here we see the hash convert kilometers into files. You're getting the code and followed with the, some of the suggestions. It means you may get, you may not get, you only can get the convert kilometers into miles. You'll get many suggestions. That is not an issue. But the issue with me is I have done these programs before. So I just want to show you how it is working. Well, convert kilometers into miles and add two matrices and concatenate two lists. So let us see for these three outputs. For that, we need to go the run and run without debugging. Okay, well, enter a number. Enter, we have given the printed statement called enter a number. So first suppose we'll give 20 kilometers. So 20 kilometers is equals to 12.42 miles. Okay, I think hope the guy the answer is right. And followed with the add two matrices. Okay, for that we need to take 2 1 2. Okay, let us take simple numbers. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, it's my fault. So let us start running from the starting. Okay, well, let us enter a number. It's 20 kilometers and then matrices 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 4 2. Okay, we need to give another matrices which is the length of 0 comma 3, 1 3 5 3 2 1 4 2 and 3. Okay, so see, we are getting the sum of two matrices. And the third thing what we supposed to do is concatenate two lists. Okay, so for this we need to give the list called 2 1 3. So another list we're supposed to give 5 1 the 6. So yeah, they're adding the matrices and we're getting the list, exact the output. So guys, how it will work as follows. So let us try with the another class by giving the another class name. For suppose let us give with the factorial of given number. So let us see for that, after giving the class name following with the hash, so we need to just hold the control button and we need to just enter the enter button. So at the right side we are getting some of the solutions. So we'll get, see, well, see, we already got some of the suggestions here. So we can accept any solution. So I just wanted to add only factorial. Okay, so I'm copying it directly. Mm, sorry. Well, we have added the factorial of a given number. So see, we'll see again how the whether it is running or not. Run without debugging. So for this we need to give the number. For this we need to give the number. I'm sorry. Okay, 21. Okay, well, we need to give the matrices. Well, now we need to enter a list 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, okay, you already got that, and we need to check factorial of a number. For suppose we'll give 5. So the factorial is 120. Okay, guys. So like this, the Copilot works. So I have already done with the some of the programs. Let us see that. Okay. Yeah, well, so I have given for the leap year checker and also I have already used this extension for check if number is prime or not, and coming to the factorial of a number and also adding two numbers and followed with Python program to swap two variables and multiplication table for given number and convert kilometers into miles and add two matrices and concatenate two lists and patterns in Python program, etc. So let us see whether my programs is running without error or not. I have done this code by using the Copilot only, so we can see the right side as I said to you before. So first it is asking me to enter a year. So let us give 2022. Uh, hope 2022 is not a leap year. Hmm. Let us run by starting. Okay, yeah. Let us give me the year 2001. What? Oh God. Okay, wait. Let me check the what is the error here. Without debugging. Yes. Let us see. Let us do one thing. Okay, let me check the year to the. What, I'm not getting the output. God. Okay. Well, no problem. Let us see what is the error here. We just delete this. We will start running from starting. We'll try it once. Okay, we'll enter the year. Hope I think it will not get it out. Mm, okay, well, let us see the output for the following programs. So we just run and yeah, we are getting the year, so we need to check whether the 2001 for suppose we'll take the 1 year 2001. Yeah, we know that it is not a leap year, and after that we need to check whether the number is prime or not. Let us see for the 23. Okay, it is not a prime number, and let us see whether the factorial of a number. Well, and adding two numbers will take 10 and rest is 23. Okay, we got it, and we need to swipe the variables. For that, let us take 2 and 3. Okay, see, we are getting A is 3 and the B is 2, like crisscross. And for coming to the multiplication, we'll take 10 table. We are getting the 10 table. And convert kilometers into miles. We are getting 24 kilometers. Okay, well, and we need to add the two matrices. So let us give the set. Okay. Okay, so we got the addition also and concatenate two lists. So 3, 2 and 1, 2, 6. Even we got for that also. Concatenate and afterwards for the patterns in the Python. Okay, even we got the patterns also. So hope everyone understands the exact motto of my project. So here how we use the Copilot by registered in the GitHub. So this is my project which was I done using the GitHub Copilot. Hope everyone understands, and thank you. Have a good day.